See, if this state of mind, if you go out to work, again you will be productive. You can get more work done in the same time. What is productivity? Productivity is basically getting more work done in the same time. Now, we all have 24 hours, and how to utilize those 24 hours so that we can do more tasks depends upon our energy levels. Right now, our energy levels are all high. Yeah? You may feel calm and relaxed, but you are in the state of sattva, right? Ajit, would you like to share your experience? Ajit Gaikwad,
Yes, sir. Feeling happy, sir.
feeling happy.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. You know, the same sabzi that you cook when you are happy is different, you know, when you are not so happy. Yeah, when you are happy, that the sabzi that you're cooking is very tasty. People love it. So Sudarshan Kriya is a breathing technique that helps us put in that happy state of mind. And that's how the difference happens. What are the
Question number
questions?
1. How do we reduce interference from housemates, knowing that we all at home and are in limited spaces? It demands our attention and minimum productivity, reduces productivity.
Yes. So, you know, in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Maharshi Patanjali said one thing, Nirgakale, Nirantar, Satkara Savita Drida Bhumihi. So, if you want something to become firmly rooted, you have to do it for a longer period of time without a break and with the due respect and honor. So, if you want your work from home to become a success, yeah, you have to create that space of sacredness and honor around you. That's why I'm wearing formals right now. Yeah, you create that space, you shut the door off with that due respect and honor, being paid to that work for a regular period of time without a break. Yeah, that becomes firmly rooted. People will start understanding the value, but then that has to be done without a break, for a long period of time and with the due respect and honor. Yeah.
I have noticed there is a communication gap happening owing to critical decisions. Any tips on it?
Any tips on communication gap? Then communicate. It's something very
Happening
simple.
owing to critical decisions.
Owing to critical decisions. See, you know, there are many critical decisions, but we refrain from speaking our mind out. We refrain from speaking our heart out due to various reasons. Yeah, that reason can be fear. The reason can be anxiety. Yeah, but what happens is that with the help of practice, with Sudarshan Kriya, with pranayam, with meditation, our mind comes to that centeredness. We get rid of anxiety, we get rid of fear, yeah, we get rid of all the negative qualities. Then what remains is your centeredness. Now in that centeredness, if you communicate, if you are able to put forth a point, the person will listen to you, the person will understand. So when you are speaking, when you are communicating, how is your state of mind? You need to check that. If your state of mind is not steady, if it is unbalanced, then there will be communication gap. The person will not understand what you're trying to say. But if you are centered, if you are peaceful, if you are calm, the person will understand what you are trying to say. Yeah. Ajit is asking, during lockdown, if we miss someone, then how do we get rid of? How to get rid of? Oh, so we are missing someone in your life. You know, it's another beautiful aspect of life. Yeah, longing. Love increases with longing. So a long time back, you know, it happened that a friend of mine very close to me, we used to meet every single day for like 6 hours a day. But then he suddenly had to go to US and I was going to feel that vacuum. But then I realized, hey, I'm going to miss him. And I realized missing someone is an emotion you don't want to miss. Yeah. This longing is very beautiful. Yeah. If your loved one is away, yeah, experience that longing. This is a sweet pain that you can endure. Yeah, and with longing, love increases. Yeah, so I would say hold on, come for the course. Yeah, practice Sudarshan Kriya. It will help you get rid of the negative aspects of longing. Sometimes because of longing, frustration comes. Because of longing, there's anxiety. You worry a lot about people. Yeah, so you can get rid of the negativity when you are in the practice on the spiritual path, and you will enjoy the longing.